There's no more excuses not to make $1 million in the next 12 months. AI just demolished all excuses for everybody. The barrier to entry has virtually disappeared. This is not the 1990s anymore. You don't need a college degree. You don't need to try and live the American dream. It's all BS. In 2026, teenagers in their SpongeBob pajamas are vibe coding an app that makes $500,000 a month. Retirees are supplementing their income with thousands of dollars from using AI tools. You have no more excuses. But here's the thing that nobody talks about. You go to any other AI model on the internet, you search for an answer for your problem. It gives you a wonderful, fantastic math equation that's going to solve the world's whatever. But once you leave the browser, it's gone. The next time you come back to the regular AI model, you have to start from scratch. It gives you a brilliant answer and you nod along like, yes, this is it. This is finally the idea that's going to make me $1 million. And then you have to go build it yourself. The AI talks a great game, but can it actually help you build something that can make you money? No, modern AI chatbots cannot do that. It's like hiring the world's smartest consultant that gives you the best plan ever, and then he leaves the country. But that's about to change. Today, I'm going to show you an AI called CREAO that doesn't just give you the answers, it builds you systems. You describe what you want in plain English, just like talking to your best friend. Creo builds it and then connects it to Gmail, Google Sheets, social media, and over 20 platforms that you have, and locks the whole thing on a permanent little app that runs on your schedule. It saves the knowledge going forward, and from the future on out, you can use the tool and build anything you want. And here's the crazy part. The more that you use Creo, the smarter it gets. In this video, I'm going to build live on camera 2 simple systems and then show you how to actually make money with this AI. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to profit from AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join now completely for free. Let's dive right in. All right, let me show you this in action. I'm not going to show you some fake demo or something I set up beforehand. I'm building this right now, live, first time on camera, because that's the only way you'll believe it. Here's the scenario. Think about any local restaurant in your neighborhood. Think about any small business in your city. What's the one thing that they all know that they need to do, but never have time for? That's social media. Every restaurant owner, every barbershop, every gym, every nail salon, they all know they need to post every single day. That's where the customers live. They live on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and YouTube and X, but they're too busy to actually do this because they're running their business. They can't afford to hire a social media manager because they're thousands of dollars. So their Instagram goes quiet for 2 weeks. And once they post, then it goes quiet again. Sound familiar? Watch this. I'm telling Creo, every morning at 9 a.m., check this Google Sheet where the restaurant logs their daily specials. Take today's specials, write an engaging social media caption for Instagram and Facebook, and email the finished posts to the restaurant owner ready to copy and paste. Create me an agent around this. That's it. That's all I type, plain English. Now watch what happens when I click run. Perfect. Now it knows that it needs to connect to Google Sheets and it also needs to connect to Gmail. So we can connect to Gmail here and we can also connect to Google Sheets right here. So for this example, I'm going to do just that. Perfect. So after it connected to the Google Sheets and we gave it the Gmail that we wanted it to send the daily social media posts to, it runs every day at 9 a.m., has the restaurant name, the Google Sheets. Here's the email that it sends it to. The tone is fun and playful. We set that. And then here is the next run. It's all done, guys. This runs on autopilot every single day for the restaurant. And the AI is completely out of the picture now. Zero hallucination. It just runs the exact same job perfectly every single time. So the restaurant doesn't need to think about posting social media or anything like that. So every day the restaurant gets an email sent to them. They can take that email, pop it on social media. It takes 5 minutes, or they can have an AI agent take that and automatically post it to their social media. Done. This ROI is incredible. When it comes to social media, if businesses aren't on social media, they're losing so much business. Let's check it out in agents. We'll click on agents. There it is. Daily special social media poster. Perfect. It has everything that we need. Here's a sample of the email that it sends. Every morning at 9 a.m., it sends the Instagram post in accordance to the Google Sheet, and it sends the Facebook post. You can always have it programmed to X and Snapchat and LinkedIn and YouTube or whatever you want. But for now, we're just doing Instagram and Facebook. This right here saves so much time and has the ability to make the restaurant owner or any business tons of money that they're absolutely leaving on the table. Guys, I described the job of this agent one time. It was one conversation, and now it's a permanent system that works without me forever. Let's go to demo number 2. Okay, now let me show you something that's going to blow your mind even more. What we just built was using tools that Creo already knows how to work with. Google Sheets, email, and stuff like that. But what happens when you need it to work with something it's never seen before? With any other AI tool, you'd be stuck. You'd have to figure it out yourself, hire a developer, or just give up like most people do. But not with Creo. Watch this. I'm going to teach Creo how to use Yelp. And right now, Creo has no idea how to pull reviews from Yelp. It's never worked with it before. So I'm going to give it instructions for the Yelp homepage and tell it to learn. So I'm going to give it the docs from the Yelp homepage. Perfect. And then I'm going to say something like this. Here are the instructions for Yelp. Learn how this works, save it, and then build me a system that checks Tony's Kitchen's Yelp reviews every Friday. Count how many new reviews came in that week, what the average star rating was, and pull out any negative reviews and email the owner a weekly summary. As far as restaurant owners are concerned, it's super important to constantly be up to date on your Yelp reviews and your Google reviews, because if you get one negative review, that right there can completely destroy your restaurant. Here we go. Let's click run. Check this out. It's reading through the Yelp instructions right now. It's figuring out on its own how Yelp works, how to pull the reviews, and how to connect it. I didn't configure anything. I didn't set anything up. I just said, learn this. And it just saved Yelp as a permanent skill. Let's schedule the agent to run every Friday at 8 a.m. And let's keep it at that. We're going to click run. It's asking for some information that it needs. We need the Yelp API key, which is basically hopping over to Yelp, grabbing the key and entering it in. The business location, the owner email. We need to validate this, grab this information. Also, the negative review threshold. It's asking us if it wants to flag reviews at or below 1, 2, or 3 stars and what the time zone is. Now it's actually running the app for us. And again, guys, remember, once we build this thing, which literally takes 10 to 15 minutes, it's done and it works forever. Check this out. This is what the owner of the restaurant gets whenever he wants, every day or once a week. It scraped his Yelp reviews, and it can even scrape Google reviews. Anything that you can teach Creo, it can learn. It scraped it, it developed this report, and it sent this report to the restaurant owner. So all the restaurant owner needs to do is open up his phone, check this out, and analyze them. So Sandra was disappointed. She waited 45 minutes. Okay. Reply to Sandra, maybe send her a free coupon or gift card. Priya, negative, terrible experience, found a hair in my food. This happens, guys. It's the restaurant business. Reply to Priya, say, I'm sorry, possibly send her some free coupons. And if you've ever been a business owner or a restaurant owner, you know how important reviews are. You know how important these Yelp and Google reviews are, because if you own a restaurant and somebody leaves a negative comment, that right there can ruin your entire restaurant. Or if, let's say, you own a dry cleaner, or you own a plumbing service, or you own a mechanic shop, and somebody leaves a negative review saying that their tire flew off on the highway. That right there can destroy your entire business. So this alone, this mini app that Creo created alone is worth its weight in gold. It could possibly save so much time, so much money, and make the owner of the business lots of money as well. Here's what I need you to hear, guys. I just taught Creo a tool it's never seen in its life. It read the instructions, figured it out on its own, and saved that knowledge permanently. Then it built a complete automated system on top of it. And now it runs by itself every Friday, every day, whenever you want it to, forever. And the more that you use Creo, the more that it learns. The more the tool learns, the more powerful everything you build becomes. Starting from zero every time, like every other AI tool, it compounds. It gets smarter with every conversation. And by the way, you just watched me build another service that I can sell to local businesses, that you can sell to local businesses. Review monitoring. That's another $400 a month per client. Stack that on top of a social media automation from earlier, and now you're offering 2 services to every single client. But we'll get to that in a second. Now, let me show you how you can actually turn this into a full-time AI business. Here's where things get really exciting, because what we built in demo 1, that's not just a cool demo. That's an entire business. Think about what happened. I built an entire automated social media system for a local restaurant in 1 conversion. It took me 5 minutes, maybe less. Now, think about how many local businesses in your city are struggling with the exact same problem right now. Restaurants, barbershops, gyms, nail salon, real estate agents, dog groomers, dentists. They all need help with their social media. They all know it. They just don't have the time or the money to hire somebody full time. Here's what to do. You walk into any local business or send them a DM on Instagram and you say, hey, I set up social media systems for local businesses. You fill in a simple spreadsheet for your daily promos, your daily specials, and my system handles the rest. It writes your posts, formats them, and delivers them to you every morning, ready to go. $300 a month, $500 a month. How much more can a company or a business make knowing or actually having presence on social media? A lot. The answer is 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 a month. And if you're somebody who heavily relies on visuals and social media, like HVAC or plumbing or real estate or doctors or dentists or crash attorneys, the difference between one social media post and no social media post is thousands of dollars a month. And that's it, guys. That's the pitch. You just saw me build that system in 1 conversation, 5 minutes, and it runs forever. You set it up for 1 client and you move to the next one and the next one and the next one. Let's do the math together. 10 local businesses at $200 a month. That's $2,000 a month in recurring income. What if you charge them $500 a month? That's $5,000 in monthly recurring income. Recurring means that it comes in every single month. You don't have to work for it, because with Creo, you set up the mini app once and it runs forever. You're not trading hours for dollars anymore. You build the system, it runs by itself, you collect a check. You can create apps for local small businesses. It's super easy. It's not hard at all. You can do it. Click on the link in the description below and use my code to get 30% off CREAO.ai. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter called the AI Income Weekly, which teaches normal people how to make money with AI in a simple step-by-step fashion that anybody can follow. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.